In today's video, I'm going to teach you Pipedrive versus a spreadsheet for sales in 3 minutes. Let's start with the big picture. Spreadsheets are great for getting started. They're flexible, familiar, and quick to set up. But as soon as you have multiple deals moving at once, a team involved, or you're trying to keep up with follow-ups, things get messy fast. That's where Pipedrive shines, starting with its visual pipeline and automation. Instead of scrolling through rows, you see your deals as cards in clear stages. You can drag and drop a deal from qualified to proposal in seconds, which mirrors how your sales actually work. On top of that, routine tasks can be automated. Think automatic follow-up emails after a meeting, reminders when a deal sits too long, or nudges to call a lead back. The goal is simple: fewer manual updates, fewer missed opportunities, and more time spent selling. Next, centralized data. In a spreadsheet, your notes, emails, and call history often live in different tabs, or worse, different tools. Pipedrive centralizes everything. Each contact and deal has its full history in one place: emails sent, calls made, files shared, and upcoming activities. That means when you open a deal, you instantly see context and what needs to happen next. As your pipeline grows, this single source of truth reduces confusion and handoff errors. A helpful habit here is to log quick notes right after calls and attach key documents to the deal, so nothing gets lost. Now, reporting and analytics. With spreadsheets, reporting usually means building formulas, updating pivot tables, and hoping the data is current. In Pipedrive, reports update in real time. You can see which stages leak deals, who's closing, and which activities drive results, without manual number crunching. Set aside a weekly moment to review your dashboard and adjust your focus based on what the data tells you. It's a faster feedback loop that helps you coach your team and forecast with more confidence. Finally, mobility and security. Pipedrive's mobile app lets you add notes after a site visit, log a call on the go, and move a deal forward without waiting to get back to your desk. On the security side, you get stronger controls than a shared file link, with permission settings and modern authentication that protect customer data. If you're managing a growing pipeline and want clarity, automation, and reliable insights, Pipedrive gives you an edge beyond what a spreadsheet can comfortably handle.